We are getting down to the short strokes, pun intended. Painters are on site getting work done right now. We've got prep going on and getting ready for paint. A lot of times people don't realize that the vast majority of the work when it comes to painting is in the preparation, but there's so much work that goes into preparing the finishes for painting before they actually get painted. In the meantime, behind me, you can see we've got the laundry machines in, cabinets are starting to get finished up. We've got countertops in, but this is starting to look really, really great. We've got tile backsplash in. I mean, it's looking phenomenal. We've got phenomenal cabinets going in, and like I was saying last week, temporary handles here. Lots of storage for different things in here. Let's have a look at what the molding prep looks like. So this is a multiple episode sort of thing to get these moldings looking flat. Once these get painted, they are going to look absolutely mint. That happens on the windows and on the door casings and the door jambs and all that sort of stuff. So here we've got this amazing bathroom for these wonderful children. Get that set up right there for us. Very cool. Again, not much has changed since last week. Now I remember countertops were in. So this room hasn't changed too much other than the trim work is getting ready for paint. Office looking good. Love that corner post detail there. So we spray finish all of our doors, and the only way to do that is to stand them up in the middle of a room and get them painted. So the painters use very simple bracket to keep them standing in the middle of the room, and once that's done, they'll sand them, prep them, make them ready to go. I'll paint them, sand them again, paint them, sand them again, paint them. And so it achieves a really phenomenal quality on the finished product, as opposed to seeing brush strokes or roller marks or anything like that. This will almost look like a piece of furniture. The other thing that's going on behind me is they're doing all of the prep work to get ready for spraying everything out. So we gotta take very, very meticulous care to make sure that we're not getting paint on the product that's not getting painted, because when you're spraying, it atomizes the paint and it goes everywhere. So if we don't make sure everything is protected and covered up and ready to go, problems happen. So we've got pros on this job, as we always do, and they're getting things ready to go. So if there is anything on any of our projects or this project in particular that you're interested in learning more about, please leave a comment below. Obviously, pound that subscribe button and like this video. And again, if we can be of service for you, or you have any questions about upcoming home buy or home renovation that you're considering doing, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact us through our website, sprucehill.ca. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you've had a great day.